So this is the new visor which will be fixed onto here. I'll show you when it gets fitted. This is the charger that will be installed in the bike. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have finally installed the high windscreen on my RS457. So this is the official accessory that Aprilia is offering for the RS457. This is not an aftermarket accessory, and I just got it installed last week, and it costed me around 900 rupees for this visor, and the fitting charge was 150 rupees that I paid. But you can see the look of this visor is very nice. The stock visor was ending over here, but the long visor is about 2 inches taller, and more than that, it has kind of a bubble if you see. So this bubble will help us when we are going on the highway speeds. It will help us tuck down so that we will be able to cut the speed more easily, and we will not face much wind blast on this motorcycle. So the long ride that I did previously last month with this bike was where I did 1700 kilometers of a ride. I did face some amount of wind blast, but with this high windscreen, I'm sure that on the highways also it is going to do a good job of keeping the rider away from the high wind blast on the higher speeds on the highway. So definitely it looks better. Apart from that, I have also installed the charger. Even this is an official accessory. It is installed somewhere over here. Not sure if you are able to see it clearly or not. But this is also an official accessory that Aprilia is offering for the RS457. So I have installed this charger, and it did not cost much. It is around 950 rupees, and the installation charge is 150 rupees that you need to pay. And the best thing is it is a USB type A. So all your USB type A cables can be connected here. So I'm talking about this USB type A, which will be connected to this charger. And the moment you switch on the ignition, the charging port gets activated. And apart from that, you also get a rubber seal for this. So when you are not using the charger, you can always close this, and it will be waterproof. So you need not worry about any electrical failures. It will not be exposed to any water or dust. So that's a good thing. And the best thing that I like about this charger is I'll be able to charge my GoPro when I'm on my long rides. And usually I have to carry a power bank and then connect it with the power bank, keeping it in my tank bag. But having this on the RS457 is definitely to come in handy on the long tours as well. If you plan to mount your phone on the handlebar, that will be the primary usage of that charger. So these are the two accessories that I have installed. It is not costly, but it definitely does the job well. And you can see the bike looks absolutely fab in the high windscreen. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you feel about the new charger and the high windscreen. This is how it looks. So that's all about this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.